Hi, I'm David Hardy, and in this video I'm going to be doing a simple unboxing of the Yi Lite action camera. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just show the sides of the box that I've got information on, and if you need to, just pause the video and kind of hold on the shots a bit longer. I'll probably hold them for about 5 or 6 seconds or something. So as we can see right now, this is the front of the box. So this is the rear of the box, and what it does, it gives us some basic information about the specifications of the camera. This is one side of the box, and it's just got a little message explaining that there's no SD card in the package, and also to download the app to get extra functionality from the camera. And this is the other side of the box as well. It's just got the Yi logo on, and it's telling us that it's the Yi Lite action camera. Okay, so I'm going to try and open the box up now and hopefully not make too much of a mess of it. Okay, so what I'll do now, I'll just take all the bits out of the box and then I'll go through them individually after that. So starting with all the paperwork first, the first thing I've pulled out of the box is this Yi card, which on the back has got all their contact details for social media and whatnot. And so the next piece of paper in the box is this one, and what it does, it gives us a bit of an idea of some of the other products by Yi. And if we turn this over, it gives us a nice little handy guide as to what SD cards Yi recommend for using with this action cam. The last of the paper that's in the box are some multilingual manuals and a couple of warranty cards as well. So the next thing out of the box is the USB cable for the camcorder, or the action cam. And basically what this is, this cable will allow you to charge the battery inside the camera, and also it'll allow you to do various things like data dumps and whatnot to and fro from a computer to the camera itself. Next up out of the box is the battery for the Yi Lite, and part of the specification of this particular battery is that it's 1400 milliamp. So basically that's going to give you a little bit more extra juice than what most batteries would, and that'll actually translate into longer recording times as well. And finally, the last thing inside the package is the camcorder itself inside its waterproof case. So what I'll do, I'll just kind of get these out and then we'll go over these individually. So onto the waterproof case then, and this looks like a really solid build. It feels really good in the hand, so it looks like it'll take a fair bit of stick as well. And if you're not overly concerned about, audio, if you just leave the camera in this while it's being used out of water, I think it would give it really, really good protection. And then on top of that as well, it also uses a fairly standard GoPro style mounting system. So if you've got a bunch of GoPro mounts and whatnot, this case should go directly onto them. So onto the camera now, and this is the front of the camera. As we can see, there is the lens, and then there's also a tally light, and also it acts as an indicator light. On the rear of the camera, you've got a 2-inch LCD screen on the back of it. So looking top down onto the Yi Lite, what we've got from left to right, we've got a hole here, which is a microphone. We've then got a button here which acts as the power button and also the button for getting through the menu system, so it's a multi-function button. And then next to that we've got another microphone. Then next to that grill there is where the speaker is. And this side of the camera here has got a door mechanism on it, and what that's for, it's to cover up the USB socket that's inside the camera. Like I said earlier on, that USB socket is to power the battery and also to transfer data. The other side of the camera is blank, so what I've done here, I've gone straight to the bottom of the camera. So the first thing we've got to the right is a 1/4-20 screw mount. Now this is actually really useful because what this means is that you can attach the camera straight to tripod plates and whatnot. And next to that is the door. So what you do, you just press the end down and then pull it out. And then what that'll do, that'll open up to allow you to put your battery in. So let me just throw the battery in there. So it's the battery compartment, and then also just here, it's actually got the SD card mount inside here as well. Okay, and so just to round off with, there is a shot of everything that's in the box. Now if you've liked this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Maybe give me a thumbs up if you've liked it. Leave some comments if you want to do that as well. And also, if you actually just want to watch any of the videos that I've done about the Yi cameras, if you go to yi4kplus.com, you can actually see all my stuff there to do with the Yi cameras and all the stuff that I'm going to be doing in the future with them as well. Okay, so the last thing that remains for me to say right now is thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.